Next Golf Tour is back for season 2.
It's been a dream of mine to compete on a major tour.
You're playing against 1,000 players around the world.
Who's next? Bigger fields, bigger purses, and even more drama.
Okay, everyone, so it might be virtual golf, but the stakes are high.
If you're trying to make it on the biggest stage, this is definitely a route to go.
It felt amazing once the clock hit midnight.
Cheers.
Now we're heading over to Chicagoland at Medina.
I think if you look at some of the players who have had success in even one event, it really has been season changing for them.
Gets the juices flowing as well because it's competitive. So, you know, financially it's great. It's great for the game.
Yeah, I'm addicted. Really addicted.
Woo! I wonder if he had to buy everybody drinks.
And you know, when the season starts outside, they're ready.
I'm really excited. I'm like, whoa, this is actually translating to outdoors. It's getting everything from me right now.
I'm really thankful that something like this exists. Well done, everybody. Thank you so much for putting this together.
The next tour this season has been unforgettable.
Best female.
So I guess we have to celebrate a little tonight.
The next golf tour has been absolutely amazing to play in.
Hey, it's Nick Carlson, and I just won round 6 on the next tour.
50 grand, let's go.
I look forward to season 3. We'll see you there.
First time in the history of indoor golf, this is the finale. We've had players from literally all over the world use their TrackMan to their advantage and make plenty of money. I've seen so much money made on this tour, it's pissed me off.
Definitely look forward to it next season, and I'll be back.
There are 2 hours left in the playing window. 93 players have completed their rounds. We've got 4 players left still to play.
I am nervous for the dairy farmer from Bernard, Iowa. Guy had the yips, he's overcome them, and now he has a chance to win the Order of Merit.
Fuck yes!
System's not crash. He birdies the last 5 holes, all world performance. 29
yes!
on the back 9 for Jordan Webb.
I am shaking and crying and all the things. It is, I cannot believe I just did that.
Yeah, I got lucky.
And you never know who's next.
My name's Jordan Webber, winner of season 2 of the next tour.